Lovely, man. बहुत नाम सुना है, सैफ-उल-मलोक का बहुत नाम सुना है, बहुत वीडियोस देखे हैं, बहुत तस्वीरें देखी हैं, बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा है, पहली दफ़ा जा रहा हूँ, देखते हैं कैसा है, यकीनन अच्छा होगा ऑब्वियसली। आपका नाम क्या है? ये मेरे भाई मीर जमान बता रहे हैं, वैसे तो रास्ता 45 मिनट का है, लेकिन आजकल आई थिंक आज या कल ही बच्चों के स्कूल शुरू हुए, सो है ना, बच्चों के स्कूल शुरू हो गए, इसलिए लोग काम आना शुरू हो गए, तो ज़्यादा रश नहीं है। लकीली फॉर अस हमें लाइन में लगना नहीं पड़ेगा, हम जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह। वहाँ देखें आप, प्लीज लुक एट दैट, लुक, वो देखें। Welcome to Sights and Sounds of Pakistan. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't, please do that. In this video I will take you to Saif-ul-Malook. It's a beautiful lake near Naran. It's about 30 to 45 minutes drive. Dangerous drive, you will see that in this video, from Naran to Saif-ul-Malook. I will divide Saif-ul-Malook lake video in 3 parts. In first part, which is this part, it's 15 minutes long, you will see how dangerous and exciting and adventurous the journey is. But you don't have to worry. If I can do it, if I can take this trip, anyone can do it. But be careful, if you have back pain or any other ailments, then you have to be a little bit careful. But other than that, I've seen children going to Saif-ul-Malook and they were enjoying it thoroughly. Although it's pretty obvious, but I just want to make it clear, only 4-wheel drive jeeps or vehicles can go to Saif-ul-Malook, like you can see. There are plenty of jeeps waiting for you. The rate is about 4,000 to 5,000 rupees return. So you will go to Saif-ul-Malook, the driver will wait for you about 2 hours, then you will go back. Please do bargain. Don't try just one driver. Try to also negotiate the price with other drivers because the price can differ. हम जा रहे हैं सैफ-उल-मलोक। देखिए मैं आपके लिए कहाँ कहाँ आ रहा हूँ और जा रहा हूँ। आई होप यू विल लाइक दिस वीडियो। माई हैंड्स आर टायर्ड, ओह माय गॉड, आई स्वेयर टू गॉड। ये सेल्फी स्टिक पकड़ ऑनेस्टली, और जो मेरी राइट आर्म है, इट इज आई हैव सिवियर मसल। सीनरी देखिए, सीनरी। वापसी में इसको देख लेंगे। पीछे सब ठीक ठाक। पेन किलर्स तो नहीं चाहिए, पेन किलर्स। कसम से या अल्लाह। Most of you have seen Saif-ul-Malook Lake in videos or pictures, but not many of you have seen the road from Naran to Saif-ul-Malook Lake. That's why I wanted to upload a lengthy video, about 15 minutes long, so that you can decide it for yourself whether it's something for you or not. I can imagine if you have severe back pain, I don't want to discourage you, but I just want to be honest. You can see how jumpy and bumpy the road is. So I can imagine if you have hernia, God forbid, or I don't know. So be careful, think twice. But other than that, it's breathtakingly beautiful lake. और सब ठीक हो ना?
सब ठीक है जी मालिक।
कोई ना पूछो, कुछ ना पूछो। सही बड़ा शौक से सैफ-उल-मलोक देख रहे ना, तो देखो ना। ठीक है। We have arrived at saif-ul-malook Lake. In next video, which I will upload in 2 days, I will show you around. I will show you the scenery, beautiful scenery of saif-ul-malook. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will not take too long. In 2 days, I will upload next part. Take care. See you then.